Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to Nizzy's Playhouse. So I'm gonna jump right in and show you how I got my bundles red with no bleach at all, girl. So I'm using the L'Oreal High Color Highlights in the color magenta and red. And then I also purchased this Mystic Divine 30 Developer, and then some after color treatment to seal the color in, and of course the little brush that I can't get open. So I'm gonna So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, how I achieved this look. If you're not doing so already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more videos if you want to see me do some other things to my other wigs. Right now you see me pouring in I think that's the magenta one. So you just pour the whole thing in there, like every last drop. I do recommend getting 3 boxes because you'll see later in the video that I did run out of dye. So yeah, I do recommend purchasing 3 colors. So I would do 2 magentas and 1 red, or 2 red, 1 magenta, whatever, however you want to do it. So here I'm pouring in the 30 Developer, and I'm just going to go ahead and you'll see me mixing it to whatever consistency you need it mixed to, preferably like a paste, if you will. And just stir that mug on up, girl. Okay, here you see me. I just put the wig down. I put a I put a trash bag down on the. Why can't I talk today? I put a trash bag down, and then I put the hair on top just so that I don't make a mess. Let me just start talking like that. But you see, I'm not really opening the hair up and stuff because I knew early on I was gonna run out of paint. Stop calling it paint. I was gonna run out of dye. So you see me here. I'm just painting the hair. I'm trying to get the outside, the part that's showing. As you can see here, don't mind my ashy leg, but that stuff is really strong, and I had to have my girlfriend put on this little mask because I was in there dying. So yeah, don't be up close to this for a while. You have to get it done, girl, because the smell is not okay. This is the part where I kind of messed up because I moved the frontal around, and then therefore it got dye on it. Yeah, don't if you have the wig already made and you're dyeing it, I recommend either doing it on a mannequin head or taping the frontal down so that you don't get it on the lace, because that's the part that you don't want to get it on. Put it on everything but the lace. So you see here, you want to flip the other side, see if you can get the back. This was where I was really starting to run out of dye, so you have to make it do what you gotta do, but it still turned out cute. Yeah, go ahead and let that sit for 30 minutes. And this is the end result. As you can see, there's the dye that I was talking about that I got on the lace. Yeah, looks like a crime scene there. So you want to go ahead and rinse the dye out of the wig until the color of the water turns clear. It took me about 5 minutes. So I did use warm room temperature water because I wasn't sure whether to use cold or hot. I don't know. So here I'm going in and I'm just shampooing it with the coconut water shampoo. And then you want to shampoo it, still make sure that shampoo it until the water runs clear, if you will. And I tried to scrub that lace. Like I said, I had got it on there, so yeah, don't get it on the lace. I don't know how many times I can say that. Yeah, so here at the end, I mixed both the conditioner and the pre-color, after color treatment together, just so that I can make sure that color doesn't come out. And I let it sit for about maybe 10-15 minutes. And this is the end result, girl. Ain't it cute? Yes. I did run out of hair dye, so inside it's still a little black, but it's cool. This shoot, it turned out super gorgeous, and all the products that I used kept the, you know, flowiness of the hair. So let's go ahead and throw this mug on. So excuse the lighting, but I think we have a winner here. I think we have a winner. So this is the color that it turned out. Like I said, there is some black parts in there just because I ran out of dye. But overall, I'm really feeling this color. I do recommend adding some argan oil. This color is so cute. Like, oh my gosh. Yes. So this is the hair in the natural state. I don't know if I want to straighten it or put some wine curls in it, because either way, I'm in love, girl. It's so cute. I don't know. But this is the end result. Let me know what you ladies think. Alright, thanks for watching.
I wish I was a normal girl.